Here's the exterior on 59th Drive. There's the initial street view. Pretty rough looking, not very well kept up. This is the initial blow through to pick up trash and to kind of get a picture of what we were looking at for the job. The trees were very overgrown. Here's the trees all trimmed up, street view with new rock, some metal decorative art, a seating area with some barbecues, and all of the grass areas are trimmed up there. You can see the custom concrete curbing installed. We've got some concrete curbing circles for the barbecues there. And all of the large trees have been trimmed on site. So now there's essentially a seating area. We need to get a shade sail installed there to block from the sun. Camera's looking east there. Camera's looking southeast there. So it turned out pretty nice. Street shot there of our metal decorative art, the seating area with the barbecues installed. Barbecue area. There's the before, there's during, and there's the after shot there other than the shade sail.